Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can take photos in Dress to Impress on Roblox. So please listen carefully. So the first thing that you will have to do is make sure that you're already inside the to Impress server. And this will help you to take clean screenshots of your outfits. So the first thing that you will do is join Dress to Impress again and go to the photo booth, runway, or any area with good lighting. So for example, I would want to take photos here since the background is really cute. And next, position your camera by dragging your screen like this. And what you will do is you will basically just press Shift plus P or F12 or use the or you could also use print screen on your laptop if you're using a laptop. And now you just take your screenshot like this. So as you can see, I've taken the screenshot, which is the picture, and it looks like this. So you could also crop it if you want to. And yeah, just check your gallery or pictures folder. And that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.